son taking this Kalidas, Raghunath Das Goswami's uncle. Now he came, Mahaprabhu washing feet, he both hand with his taking Charanamrita one time. Next time, then Mahaprabhu said no. So Mahaprabhu no merciful, no why not giving? Mahaprabhu say your complete life is taking all Vaishnavas remnants. You are respecting, offering obeisances. Therefore I am giving you now today Charanamrita, but next no. Also Mahaprabhu in Kundicha temple, then Kundicha Mandir Marjan, and then there one pot of water Mahaprabhu's feet is giving. Mahaprabhu very disturbed. And Mahaprabhu says, Swarup Damodar, your Gaudiya, how much doing me, insulting me? His temple inside is giving feet is my water and taking this Charanamrita. Disobey temple and disrespect. So this Charanamrita also, Archan Marga, not only Bhakti Marga, Prem Marga, this process is Krishna Prema. Adharamit is taking, but I have no respect, no proper rule regulations I am following. And by force is taking this, then also Bhakta not happy and pleased. I not making him satisfied and pleased and happy. He not giving me. By force I am like stealing by dakai. Some power coming, some mundane things coming, but Suddha Prema Bhakti, no possible. Therefore, Guru Vaishnava is kind and happy, pleased then. Now seeing this Kam, Krodh, they are enemy, but they are not too much enemy. Kapata, cheater, this is big enemy. And telling Sadhana Bhakti's line, this is body's desire, lust, anger, fire, this and that. But cheating for chit fund business, mind giving advice for soul, no soul, giving to senses. Senses are doing wrong, result coming for whom? Mind for, senses for, coming soul for. So this Kapata, Kutilata, telling this is very dangerous. But how much I am hiding? Not possible hiding. What I am doing? Asking, oh tree, what is your name? Say, look my fruits. Then you understanding, I am mango, ya jamun, ya berry, ya I am apple. You took look my fruits. So anybody doing bhajan, sadhan, but kapat, cheater, and doing duplicity. All time this like changeover. What doing? Hiding all. But fruit is coming, then understanding. This prem sudha not coming, not getting. Pratishtha kutinati jatne karo dur, taha hoile nameroti paibe prochur. No harinam for desire, no seva for desire. Long time staying like stone pieces inside water becomes slippery, but not cotton, like not drinking. So sadhus with his kapata, God with his kapata, cheating business, then what will be hard and rock. No softness. Tadasma saram hridam vadedam jadgir jamanoi harinama dhevai. No koi bikri dada vikaro netre jalam gatra ruhe swarsa. Outside any people near is going then shivering, tears is flowing, and like senseless fainting, but only cheating. People near Pratishtha. Like one time, Haridas Thakur chanting and crossing this one road. Then looking one, this snack player, he is playing Dumru and Kali Lila is singing, and snake is dancing. Then Haridas Thakur hearing, looking, and he is remembering Krishna Lila, he is where? And he is senseless and fainting, rolling round. The snake is coming offering pranam. Snake charmer, he is also come. He is offering pranam, taking feet dust. After Haridas Thakur see what happened? Where am I? But his sense is coming, he is running. But after one Dongi Vipra, Brahmin, he is also shaking, but the next program starting and then crying and rolling round this and that. And snake chairman taking in whips and beating too much. Then people asking, why not beating Haridas Thakur? Why beating him? Say Dongi Vipra on Pratishthapur. Heart not soft and no melting, no remembering. People cheating for starting. So now cheat fund business, taking one big mala in front of neck and going outside, then showing everybody. I am chanting. Big tilak, big dress, everything, but Hari is no relation. But then telling this also showing everybody is there, not eating, not doing very sadhan bhajan for everything, but inside is desire for pratisthasa, is inside vairagya, yeah, many things showing, but lifetime no respecting, no serving any sadhus, not bhakta, bas, all are glorify, respect, then is thinking, this chit vilas, but no chit vilas. Rup Goswami Prabhu therefore telling, sadhus, this is not nature. Sadhu, all time will be engaged within this Nam Sankirtanam and Sri Seva. Also, সাধু অনাদরার অন্যে ঈশ্বজ্ঞান গুরুকে অবজ্ঞানাম শাস্ত্রে অপমান নামে অর্থবাদ নাম বলে পাপান্ধতা অন্য শুভকর্ম সহ নামের অসমতা শ্রদ্ধাহীন নাম দান জড়াশক্তিক্রমে মহাত্মা জানিয়া নামে শ্রদ্ধা নাহি ভ্রমে এই তো অপরাধ যত্নে পরিহরি হরিনাম কর ভাই ভজন চাতুরি. You look, you checking, this person has respect or no? Sadhus for, Bhaktas for, Gurudev for, Naam, Shastras for. Otherwise, any other mundane work, there is big desire. Any charity, yeah, any this work, this mundane, then very fast. There is no problem, everything doing. But Harinam, Harikirtan, Hariseva, then think it is useless. What is this? So also this, they are this Haribhakti's program is, I think they are useless and small. And mundane program, any meeting, any social work, but they are too much attached. Telling, যাহে ভোগ কৃষ্ণ স্মৃতি হয় তাই বিধি জানি কৃষ্ণ বিস্মারক কার্য নিষেধ বলি মানি. Any things is doing all time Krishna smriti, then is this is rules, and you forget everything. Bhakti's program, no time, then is this is lost, and this is very painful. Now, tomorrow next hearing, Gaur Pramanande, Hari Hari Bol.